Installing a sunroom or pergola is one of the best ways to add value to your life and to your home. But which type of sunroom or pergola is best for you? That's where our handy guide comes in. Keep watching to learn what type of sunroom or pergola is perfect for you and your lifestyle. Sunroom advantages. The main advantage is that they attach to your home, which means you don't have to go far to experience some sun. The other great thing about sunrooms is that they are enclosed. This means you don't have to use only outdoor furniture or worry about bugs. It's another part of your home and you can decorate it as such. It's also easier to maintain due to weather being less of a factor, so your new sunroom will last longer than any other option. Because sunrooms can attach to your home, they can actually increase your home's square footage where porches typically do not. You can be enjoying your sunroom for years and still expect to recoup around 47% of your investment if you do decide to sell your home. Sunrooms are normally more comfortable to be in and have more options for year-round use. To learn which sunrooms are the best for year-round, let's take a look at the different types of sunrooms you can choose from. Types of sunrooms. There are two main types of sunrooms that you will encounter when looking to add one to your home. Each has its own distinct advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to choose wisely. A 3-season sunroom is designed for use in 3 seasons: spring, summer, and fall. This means that they are not engineered to be heated or cooled often or in the winter. Another option is a 4-season sunroom, which is good to go year-round. This includes the additional insulation and needed for those colder months. Of course, the trade-off is that these kinds of sunrooms are usually more expensive to build in the first place. Pergola advantages. The main advantage of a pergola is that it creates a space anywhere in your property that allows you to take advantage of nature. While it isn't attached to your home, this can actually be better as it allows you to create a space away from the house to relax in, to get away from the hustle and bustle. Pergolas are often much cheaper and easier to acquire than something that involves actual construction, such as a deck. If you want to have a pergola constructed, you can also do that. They're also quite customizable in that you can choose the roofing style you want as well as any furniture, plus sizing and whether or not you want curtains and mosquito nets. You can have the choice to decide whether you want to experience the sun on a more cloudy day or protect yourself from the blazing sun in the summer. One advantage of pergolas over other attached structures, such as sunrooms, is that they allow for free flow of air throughout the space. Sun and fresh air are always nice. Now that you know all about the different types of sunroom options as well as pergolas, you're probably wondering how else you can improve your home. While you're having work done, you might as well have it done elsewhere too. Check out our great plans for kitchen remodeling to see how the latest trends could improve your home. Give us a call at 321-536-2054 to get started today.